How to buy Ecoin using Gcash. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can purchase Ecoins or credits using your Gcash application. Now just simply open up your Gcash app and then make sure that you're logged in using your 4-digit PIN. And then from your dashboard, you just have to choose on load. Then from load, you will be seeing a lot of options from here. And then you just need to switch it into non-telco. Input the designated phone number or the account number that you have from the game club, and then hit on next. Now from these options right here, you will be seeing a lot of options. You just need to choose on whatever specific amount of the credit that you'll have or you need to purchase for you to be able to have it reflected into your game club account. Now just simply choose on the very first one, say for example, and then hit on buy now and make sure that you have sufficient amount of balance that you have in Gcash so that the payment will go through. And that is how you purchase Ecoin using Gcash.